Hi everyone, so we're in the premium suites area of Elba Royal Lanzarote Village, and these are the suites. You've got these really nice tree-lined avenues to get to each of them, and they're like villas basically, and they're all in blocks of 4, and everybody gets their own terrace. So this is my terrace here, and you get a couple of sunbeds and a chair and a sofa. They're all in block numbers, so mine's block 80 and it's room 3. So when you're checking at reception, they would say that it's room 803. So if you come into the entrance to a room, it's always in this lobby area with 4 rooms. This is 803. So this is, let me just put the card in to get some juice in the room. So this is a suite. There is a junior suite. Let me just zoom back a bit, which is smaller than this. Now what you get in a suite is you get this separate living room area. So you get a proper pull-out sofa bed. So if you were sharing this with your kids, this is where they would sleep. You get the sofa bed there. You get a decent size TV in the living room. And then you get the access to the terrace here. So this is the terrace, and you get a pull-out clothes rack to dry your clothes. We take you back in. You get a coffee machine for, I think it's Nespresso pods, and what they do is they give you a few to start you off, and if you use those up, you basically then have to pay for more. So one of the good things with premium suites is they give you this large bottle of water every day, and to be honest, I found that they gave me way too much. I never drunk it all, but you've got a decent sized fridge. You can see there that I've fit a couple of bottles in. You can easily get 3 in, but yeah, they seem to keep dropping the water off whether you drink it or not. So into the bathroom, you've got a decent walk-in shower, and you've got a sink and toilet for the ladies. I know a powerful hair dryer is always important. I can't say I've used it, but I think it gets to a decent speed and heat. Usual things like towel racks. They are decent fluffy towels, I have to say. So then the big difference between a suite and a junior suite is with the junior suite you don't get the separate living room and bedroom. The bedroom or the sleeping area and the living room are kind of merged into one. So with the suite, which this is, you get this separate bedroom. I have to say it's pretty modern design, and you get a second TV. So the other difference with a suite is you do get a TV in the bedroom as well. The aircon, I have to say, is really good. So you get complete control of the temperature. I just realised I haven't shut the door, so you have to shut the door for it to work. But I found it to be really quiet. So if you set it to even a high fan speed, it's really quiet at night. I'll just show you the wardrobe. You get a decent size safe. You have to pay €4 a day for that. If you're on the kind of upper level, I'm in standard, but in the premium suites area, but if you're in the upper level, you get the safe for free. Otherwise, I say it's €4 a day. You do get bathrobes. God knows what you'd use those for in this heat, but they do include them. And then on the other side of the wardrobe, you get a light inside the wardrobe. I'm not really sure you need that. I'm not sure I get too many clothes out at night, but there you go. You get a decent amount of hanging space and a couple of shelves lower down, bedside table, plenty of lights. There's a couple of bedside lamps. Now you also get a ceiling fan, so there's a control here by the side of the bed for the ceiling fan. You get a socket that you can plug a UK plug into, So you can see I've got a standard Samsung charger in mine. So you get a one UK socket and you get a USB socket. But I did find when I put the USB cable in, it didn't work. So whether mine's got a fault, I'm not sure. You get a decent amount of space at the end of the bed. So you can see I've got the case here, but I suspect you could quite easily fit a travel cot in there. Yeah, so that's pretty much the end of the tour. So yeah, just to say, this is a suite. It's part of the premium suites area, and the junior suite, which is the smaller one, doesn't have the separate lounge and bedroom. The two would be merged together, but I think it would still be big enough to accommodate a family with a couple of kids. Thanks for watching, everyone.